Well, you can now download a 2K or even 4K image resolution in Google Flow. So some images that were created in this platform using Gemini Nano Banana Pro can now be saved as a 2K or even 4K resolution. As you can see, I have this one example. The picture on the left is the original 1K resolution and the picture on the right is the 2K resolution. As you can see, it looks much more detailed compared to the 1K resolution. Now let me show you how you can download an image from Google Flow as a 2K or 4K resolution. So let's navigate to Google Flow, and after that you can start a new project if you want to create a brand new image, or you can also open an existing project that might contain some images. Now in this case, I'm going to download this lion picture. So just click the download button and then you can select the resolution. Now there is one caveat here. This picture for the 2K and 4K resolution is only available if you are in the Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra plan subscription. This is basically not available if you're using the free plan on your Google account. And also, this is not a native 2K or 4K resolution. It is actually upscaling, although I would say it looks really good. As you probably have seen on my example, it looks very close to a native 2K resolution. And also there is another thing that you need to know. This feature is only available for images that were created after 12 December 2025. So I got this picture that I created back in the 5th December 2025. And if I click the download button, there is no option for me to select the 2K or 4K resolution. So that's very unfortunate, but at least I think still a nice addition to this AI tool. So yeah, that's basically how you can download the 2K or 4K resolution of images that were created in Google Flow, alongside with some limitations that you probably need to know. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.